Hi friends, welcome back. Today I am presenting a unique chicken recipe. If you are a Pav Bhaji lover, you are surely going to love it. We are going to make Pav Bhaji Masala chicken. I love Pav Bhaji Masala flavor and I have tried out many dishes using this masala. This chicken dish is one of them and it turned out super delicious. You can enjoy it with pav breads or it also pairs well with naans, rotis and parathas. So let's proceed to make Pav Bhaji chicken. Pav Bhaji Masala chicken, a very unique chicken dish. It's easy to prepare, spicy, delicious and mouth-watering. For this we'll require boneless chicken. I have taken about 350 grams, cut it into small pieces, wash it well and drain out the water completely. And 1 cup of onion chopped finely, 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1 tablespoon of Pav Bhaji Masala, some butter about 2 to 3 teaspoons, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, half teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, few slit green chillies for garnishing, lemon wedges for garnishing, half teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic and some salt to taste. You can find the recipe link in the description box below. First we are going to start with the marination. Transfer the chicken into a larger dish, sprinkle some salt and turmeric. Give it a stir. Add the yogurt. Mix everything very well. But this is a simple marination for this chicken. All the spices will be added later. Here we are done. So we are going to set it aside in the refrigerator until we are ready to cook. Now in a pan, heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. You could also take half butter and half oil, whatever you wish. Add the ginger and garlic first. Simmer it a bit so that the flavors are infused into the oil. Now add the finely chopped onions. Stir fry them. We are going to saute and simmer them until they are translucent. So intermittently open the lid and give it a stir. This may take a couple of minutes. Maintain medium flame. Now onion is changing color, it's nearly getting done. Now add the marinated chicken pieces. Stir everything together. Now we are going to cook this on medium flame until the moisture from the yogurt and the chicken is dried up completely. In between, intermittently you keep stirring it. You can see the chicken is changing its color, it's whitish now. At this stage, you can add salt, turmeric, chilli powder and the garam masala powder. Stir everything together. Pav Bhaji masala will be added later. Simmer it for a couple of minutes. You can see the oil is separated now. Chicken is also nearly done because chicken hardly takes time to cook. Now you can add the tomato puree, 2 to 3 tablespoons. You can even add the homemade tomato puree. If you have good nice ripe tomatoes, you can check out the link how to make the puree at home. Again simmer for 1 minute, and then finally add the Pav Bhaji Masala. This is the key ingredient which gives a good flavor to this preparation. Give it a nice stir. Check the salt. Now we are going to again simmer it for a minute or two. Do this on the low flame. You can see now the chicken is done. You can check for the doneness inserting a fork. Tiny pieces, they hardly take time to cook. The whole process takes 10 to 12 minutes. Put some butter on top. This gives extra flavor. Add some coriander leaves. And here your Pav Bhaji Masala chicken is ready. Dish it out and garnish with finely chopped onions on top. Some slit green chillies, lemon wedges, and finally some coriander leaves. And here your Pav Bhaji Masala chicken is ready to be served. You can pair it with pav bread. It tastes very good with pav bread, or you can even relish it with parathas and naans also. This is such a delicious and irresistible preparation. You're surely going to love it. Let's do the tasting. Looks so tempting. It's very well done and smells so good. The taste is equally good. It's delicious. Guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so and click on the bell icon to get notifications. Here are some videos from my collection. You can check them out as well. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Bye until then.